Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Turbo 3 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer and let's begin with the shortest code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, you are provided with the mobile equipment identification, for example the email numbers. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code, which is *##4636 ###. And here we are in the testing mode, so we've got the phone information and also information connected with the internet. So here we've got the status, for example. We can refresh the stats and check the info, the Wi-Fi info, just like the SSID or network ID. You can also run ping test here. And the phone information, it is divided into two because we've got two different SIM slots. And here you will be able to check the phone number, data service, signal strength, or NR frequency. You can also run ping test here, and after tapping on the three dots icon, you can disable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the section with the battery information. It is *##6485 ###. And here we are the charging and battery information, so we can check whether it is charging or discharging, especially if the icon next to the battery looks pretty weird and you've got some suspicions that not everything is okay with the battery. You can check the state of the battery, whether it is good or it is in a critical state, the power of the battery, etc, etc. Let's go back and let me show you the last code, which is *##40###. And here we've got the information about the device, so we can check the model and the hardware version, baseband version, or both email numbers again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.